The next subject on our agenda is to put a nice cover page on this report. And there are some really nice pre-created cover pages that are available. Now, you don't have to be sitting on page 1 to see this happen, but I usually like to. So I'm going to double-click out of the footer section so that I'm talking in the main text area now, and I'm going to use my old friend by now, Control-Home, to go to the top of that document. So here's what my first page looks like right now. And what I would like to do now is insert one of the pre-created cover pages. And again, insert the cover page. That means it's found under the Insert ribbon here. So I'm going to go up and click on the Insert tab. And then on the Insert ribbon, there's a choice over here about Pages. And when I click on the little pull-down arrow for that, I can see Cover Page, Blank Page, and my old friend Page Break. So this time I'm going with Cover Page. And then here are several that are available right out of the box. Now you may remember there was a header called Banded. Now there's actually a cover page called Banded. If I scroll down just a little bit, I kind of like this one that says Filigree. I used to work in a jewelry store. A filigree ring has little cutouts in it, in the band itself, so you can see through the ring to your finger. And they'll have all kinds of decorations and stuff on like that on a filigree ring. So I'm going to choose the filigree cover page. And there it is. It drops it right in there. Now, it always puts that at the beginning of the document, no matter what page I was sitting on when I did it. And you can't have more than one cover page. Well, actually, you can if you go through a bunch of finagling, copying, and pasting, but there's no real use for having more than one cover page. Now, you notice on the cover page, it's got a place for the document title and a place for a document subtitle. And if you don't either erase or type something in those places, then when you print the thing out, it'll say those words, document title, document subtitle. So I can see up in the title bar, the name of the document is Section Breaks Mod 2 blah blah blah. That doesn't mean that's what the document title has to say. Maybe this document is about how to use Microsoft Word for various methods. Now I'm noticing up at the top of the screen, the name of the file is Section Breaks. But maybe what the document is about is using Word 2016. So I'm going to click in the document title, and I'm going to type that in as the title for this document, using Word 2016. Now you can see in this case it's set up to use all capital letters. You can change that if you want, but looks kind of cool. And then for the document subtitle, if I've got one, I could put it in there like my byline, have my name in there. Or if I don't want to put anything there, I just tap the delete key and get rid of it. And when I click away, let's see. So if I do a print preview right now, you'll see it'll actually have that document subtitle thing there. So what I'm going to do is try to totally delete it, tapping the delete key, and then maybe even click on the subtitle little name there, and delete that one more time. And then when I click away, I'm left with just a little paragraph mark, and that's not going to print. And again, as I go to File and Print, so I can see a print preview, I can see the words that I put in there, and I don't see any subtitle. So getting rid of that subtitle was a little bit difficult. I kind of had to delete it twice. All right, so that's your job now. You're going to insert a cover page. And if you want to try a different one than filigree, definitely feel free to do that. Just make sure that every one of the placeholders either is deleted or has something in it. So go insert a cover page, everybody.